Hello everyone, welcome to Paul Hubbard Clothing. Today we want to learn the simplest way to make a side pocket. Hit the subscription button as we comment. First, you need to gum the side pocket. Then you attach the pocket itself to the front piece of the cloth. After which you run a stitch on it. After that you notch it. The measurement for the notching is 7 from the length, then the width side is 2. After that you need to cut out the above pocket piece so that area won't be hard while sewing. Alright, so at this area you just need to weave the mouth of this side pocket, but because of time I will just fold it inside. After that you run a stitch on it. After which you fold the side of the side pocket, then you run a stitch. Here you need to use a 1/4 inch measurement to run a stitch from the top of the side pocket to the bottom. After that you fold it together. First of all, watch this closely. When you fold it together, after your adjustment, then just give a 1/2 inch notch on the side of the pocket. Then you run a stitch on it. After that, you trim the mouth a little. Actually, there are reasons behind this. I might explain this in subsequent videos to come. Here you need to turn out the side pocket and run a stitch. So here the pocket is given its real shape. You can see the shape of the pocket. We are gradually coming to the end of this video. So just top stitch the mouth of the pocket, just as you can see on the screen. After that you run stitch the top of the pocket. So this is how it looks like. This is the simplest way to make a side pocket. Thank you so much for watching. Click on the subscribe button and share this video. See you in my next video. Peace out. You can leave your questions on the comment section. Thank you.